How to check for iCloud lock or activation lock on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on your account at the top. This is your Apple account settings page. On this page, scroll down to the end and tap on Sign Out. Here, tap on Sign Out but don't erase below. Then, go back to the Settings page and tap on General. Here, go to About. Scroll down to the Physical SIM section and tap on the IMEI number. Then, tap on Copy. Now, go back and open up the Safari app. Here, search for IMEI Pro and then go to imeipro.info from the results. Once you're here, scroll down and paste the IMEI number you just copied in the text bar. Complete the captcha test and then tap on Check. You can now check the blacklist status from here. Following these steps, you can easily check for iCloud lock or activation lock on iPhone.